So we have the DoAll saw all set up. The table is bolted up to the machine with the blade on the machine. So we'll start the hydraulics and the main drive. The table is at the end of its travel right now, so we'll reverse it with the controls here. It's going to go back to the start position. So now we're back at the start, so we can move the control lever to the feed. Starts moving into the cut. When the table's at the end of its travel is when you would change the blade, releasing the tension with this hand wheel, and then removing the blade from the top wheel as well as the bottom. And then this is the device for and so right here you would rotate this. You put your blade into here and then rotate it all the way around, and then you can pull it out, and that's how you change your blade. You have the gearbox shifter as well as the belt speed adjustment, your jog button for doing the shifting the gearbox, and then the speed indicator. When the blade is running, that registers the blade speed in 3 different gearbox positions. And then you have the tension indicator for the blade. We've got it set at 1 inch, since we have our 1 inch blade on there. And then there's the belt drive system, and the guards would all be installed to cover and protect that whole area. So that's the whole machine.